Hey, welcome back to the Wood and Metal Shop. I am making a cigar twist pen out of Antler today. Now, I've used Antler before in another pen kit. It was a bolt action kit, and I'll post that link just up above in case you're interested in seeing it. Now, Antler is just a little bit different to use than any other pen blank. It is a really hard material, so you want to make sure your tools are sharp or use a carbide tip tool. Also, make sure you're wearing a face mask and a dust mask or a respirator mask because you are cutting bone and you don't want to be breathing that in. Also, Easter's coming up, so I may not have a video for next week. Plus, I'm working on some videos that are a little bit more time consuming, so you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for when those videos come out. Plus, you know, all my social media links are listed below, so you want to go and check those out. And also, if you want to participate in the sticker swap, go and follow me on Instagram and send me a message there. So, let's get on with making this pen. I'm almost down to the bushings. Gouge probably needs to be sharpened already, but I do have another one. So I'm going to switch over to that one. Okay, that negative rake scraper works really good, but I had to sharpen it twice. I have this turned right down to the bushings, like they're pretty smooth. There's a little bit of chipping right there, but that's okay. I'm going to turn this at a slow speed, 600 RPM, and sand from 150 to 320 and then apply some CA glue. Even at 320 grit, that feels pretty smooth. Alright, I'm going to put 2 coats of thin CA glue on to seal it. putting this kit together is pretty straightforward, and I kept the blank on the bushings and on the mandrel because I didn't want to mix it up, because this bushing and this bushing is ever so slightly different in size, and if you got it mixed up, well then it's entirely wrong. So basically I'm going to start at this end, and you take the nib adapter and I'm just going to put that in with a block to protect the threads again. And then you take the mechanism part apart, and this end goes in, and again with the use the block to protect it. It seems to work a little bit better going in that way. Put the mechanism on. Tip back on. Make sure the mechanism works. It does. And then you go to the other end. Keeping it in the right way. This one I don't need the block. And then for the other end, put the clip on, put the cap on. Slide that in. Press that in place, and then you put it together. That's it. Well, there's another pen done. It's on one of the display stands that I made previously. The Antler turned out really well. It turns a little bit different, like I said before. It is harder. It will dull your tools really fast, you know, unless you're using carbide tip. Antler is porous, so that's why I also use CA glue to seal it at first, and then sand it with 400 grit. Then I put 10 coats of CA glue on it. You can maybe get away with 5, but I like to use 10. Really give it a nice build-up. All in all, turned out really nice. Hope you can, that focuses. I will post pictures at the end too. Oh, the pen stands, just a couple of coats of shellac on it and about 4 coats of an automotive grade acrylic lacquer on it, just high gloss. And they turned out really nice as well. And there's the maple one. So very happy with this one. It's also available on my Etsy store as soon as I get it posted. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment or a question. You know all about subscribing and ringing that notification bell. I may not have a video next week. Also, social media links are posted down below. So until the next time, take care.